So this problem is asking us in a system of equations, the really thing they're testing on is, do you recognize what it means when it says it has infinitely many solutions? So remember that if you have two lines that are parallel, well, let's start with one intersection. If you have two lines that are intersecting, that has one intersection, that means it has one solution. If it is a problem where it is parallel, they never run into each other. They never intersect. There are zero solutions. And for it to be infinite solution is one line is on top of the other, or they both have the same exact equation, or you have to have the same equation for it to be that situation. So when they say the system has infinitely many solutions, what they're really saying is that this is actually the same equation as this. It's just been reduced. And if we think about how 12 can go to 60, what we see is that it's been increased by a factor of 5, right? So this here is just 1/5 of the top one. Or you can also just see it as 5 times this will get you to the second one. And when they want to know what is the value of A over B, well, since everything's being increased proportionately, you can just see that A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 8. And because they're asking for A over B, you can just write it as 2 over 8 or 1/4, and you can put that into your grid in response, or 0.25. Alternatively, you could say to yourself, well, all I know for sure is that A is 2/5, because it's because this is 1/5 of the entire situation. You can say that A equals 2 over 5, and B would equal 8 over 5. That's fine. You can then rewrite this as a fraction, a big fraction, where you have 2 over 5 over 8 over 5. And remember, fractions are division problems in disguise. So we can rewrite this as 2/5 divided by, I almost skipped a step, 8 over 5, which is the same as 2/5 times 5 over 8. The 5's cancel out, and you can just move forward with 2 over 8, which simplifies to 1/4.